guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walgreens video, and I was like, let me get my butt to Wags before they don't have nothing left. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pal. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash that like button. Support your girl. I have a total of 4 transactions to do with the possible 5th one, so we're gonna see how everything works out. I'm hoping they have everything I need in stock. I'm hoping all of my rewards print. Still waiting for the $4 reward on the crest from, was it last week? I want to say I did get notification that same day that I would be getting it in the mail, and I haven't got. It'll probably come today. If I get that, that'll be cool. Something I can add to my next trip. I think what I'm gonna do today, I'm at the store that I came to where the cashiers have been pretty awesome for the most part. And as y'all know, the cashiers, it's everything, all right? And like the rewards, right? The black ones that are specific to like, you know, like oral care or whatever, can only be used on oral care. And so the cashier, some cashiers will take them on anything and some will shut you down. And so last week I did experience being shut down twice, and the second time I kind of acted stupid. I was like, okay, really? Like, since when? Since when? And so hopefully everything goes smoothly here. But I think what I'm gonna do is do 2 transactions, and then I'll show you guys my receipts, and then we'll do the last 2, and hopefully if I could do the 5th one, and I will. And so with that being said, we're going to head into Walgreens, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got you to do, keep on watching.
Guys, so the first deal that we're going to be doing is on the Colgate toothbrushes. So they have some that are priced at $4 on sale. It's the 360 ones down here. And it's buy 2 get back 3. So we're gonna grab 2 of them. That total is gonna come to $8. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital. That'll bring your total down to 4. Getting back 3 makes them 50 cents each. All right. The other deal that I'm gonna grab on this transaction is on the Colgate Optic White. They are priced at $5, and it's buy 2 get back 5. So the total for both is gonna be $10. There is a $4 off of 2 digital. And that'll bring your total down to paying 6. You'll get back 5, bringing them down to only 50 cents each. What our first transaction is gonna look like. Total for this after digitals is gonna be $10. I will be rolling in $4 in Walgreens cash from last week, as well as a $5 reward from last week. I'll pay $1 out of pocket, and then I'll get back $8 in rewards. All right, the next transaction that I'm gonna grab is on the Crest. They are on sale for $9, and it's buy 2 get back 3. Now we do have $4 digitals for each of them. We also have offers on Ibotta for $2.50 back. So I'll be grabbing the stain remover right here for $9, and I'll also be grabbing the gum enamel restore. This one is also on sale for $9. So the 2 items is going to come to $18. I'll be using 2 $4 digitals off of each of them. That'll bring the total down to $10. And then I'll get back a $3 reward. There's also $2.50 for each on Ibotta, bringing them down to only $1 a piece. Now for this, I'm going to be rolling in the rewards from the previous transaction, what was $8. I'll pay 2, and then I'll get back 3 in rewards and 5 on Ibotta. Okay, and here's what my second transaction looks like. Now I did get a spin booster on the first transaction. It was spend 15, get back 5. And so it worked out perfectly with this transaction. There goes the crest. There goes the 2 $4 digitals. I rolled $8 in rewards. I paid $2 subtotal. I got back the $3 in rewards, and then I also got back 5 in points. And so that worked out good. So let's do our third transaction. All right, so next up is going to be the Crest. They are on sale for $5, and they're also buy 3 get back 5. All 3 are going to come to $15. Again, we have that 5 off of 3 digital. We'll pay 10. We'll get back a $5 reward. We'll also get back $1.50 for 2 of them on Ibotta. Makes it $2 for all 3, or only 66 cents each. Now for this one, I will be rolling in a $3 reward as well as $5 in points. I will pay $2 out of pocket, and I'll get back a $5 reward as well as $3 on Ibotta. Next up is the Tresemme. They are on sale for $7, and it's buy 2 get back 5. So 2 is going to be $14. We have a 5 off of 2 digital, and that'll bring the total down to you paying $9. You'll get back 7. It makes them $1 a piece. Now for this, I'm gonna roll in the 5 reward from the Crest. So I'll pay 4 and I'll get back 5. And so yeah.
All right, here is what this transaction looks like. So there goes our 3 Crest, 5 off of 3 digital. I used $3 rich reward. I totally forgot to use $5 in points, y'all, so my out of pocket was $7. Yeah, which is, yeah. And so, yeah, that's how this one worked out. And so I paid $7 subtotal. And then I got back a $5 reward on the Crest. And then I'll also be getting back $3 on Ibotta. And then this was the Tresemme, okay? There goes the $5 digital, 5 off of 2. I used a $5 reward from the Crest, and I also used $5 in points. Now for this one, I had to add a filler, so I added the big roll of paper towels for $1.29, and so my subtotal was 29 cents, and then I got back 5. So here is my complete haul for Walgreens for this week. I did not do the Pantene that was working for both digitals because my stores have been out of that. I wanted to do the Scott's tissue paper deal. I saw that deal all over Instagram. My stores were completely out. I don't think they restock until like Wednesday, Thursday. So I may do that deal, y'all. Look, we're down to our last 3 packs of tissue paper. And what we're using is that bamboo tissue that we got at CVS years ago. All right, years ago. That's all we're using. So I was really hoping to do a tissue deal soon. And so hopefully I can do one maybe next week or so. All right. But besides that, this worked out good. Now I did get the $4 reward from one of my deals I did last week. I had to contact customer support, or Catalina rather. They sent me that. So I did use that. I used it today actually. I just wanted to get rid of it because those black ink rewards, it just depends on your cashier. Luckily, the store closest to me, they're super, super awesome. And so I just wanted to just get rid of it. So I did the Colgate deal. It's the same as the toothpaste. $5 each, 4 off 2 digital, pay 6, get back 5. So I did pay $2 out of pocket with that deal, but I just wanted to get rid of that reward because it's like, I don't want it because it just depends on your cashier. And if your cashier wants to be a journalist and be reading everything, then they're going to be like, look, no. And I'm going to be like, I'm going to have to look stupid again. So we're not trying to look stupid. So yeah. And so I got rid of that one. And so as far as what we walk away with, now today I did do that on another card because I wanted to see what kind of boosters I would get. And I did get a when you spend 15. I got back 3 when you spend 15. I got back this one on my other account, I think yesterday. And then I walk away with a total of $10 in rewards. And so that's what we walk away with. Plus we do still have the $8 on Ibotta as well. So everything you see here retails $76.29. I had $30 in digitals. I also rolled $34 in rewards between rewards and points. And it brought it down to $12.29. My sales tax for this was $6.33. And again, I walk away with $10 in rewards and 8 on Ibotta. So it makes this a pretty awesome deal. Again, with us rolling the rewards. So I'll be starting next week with 10, which is really, really cool. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, don't forget to smash that like button on your way out the door. In the comments, what's your favorite deal? My favorite deal was a deal I didn't get, the Scott's tissue paper. And so with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.